Let's get gnarly today with the S-Racer gaming chair. And no, this video is not sponsored in any way. The setup when building the S-Racer gaming chair was nice and easy. However, there were some fishy, shady issues when you are building it. Which the common issue is mainly gravity, because gravity plays a massive role in building a gaming chair because there's so many screws that you have to screw in. But they are not that many because they are probably already screwed in. Just like you gotta bolt in like 1 or 2 screws just to attach some, such as the handlebar or either this thing. I don't know what it's called. The comfortability on this specific gaming chair is nice and cool, I would have to just say, because if you just look at it, the design on it is pretty cool right here. However, sometimes it does stick depending on the humidity in your room, so you might need a dehumidifier. But last summer or something close to that, I didn't really need it. However, just know that when you have too much humidity, this can stick to your skin, and I don't really like that, so I usually just take this off. And also, this was usually around here. This neck pillow was right here. But I took the recommendation from Steve Does. You can check his video somewhere, somewhere, description down below. And then instead of like right here where you see these 2 holes, you just put it right on top where it says the brand name. And then that will give you more cushion. So when you sit down, you actually get it if you're a little bit taller. But if you're a little bit younger, which you probably are, but you are going to become older, so you should know these 2 things. So you would just put it right here where you see these 2. But when you get older, just know to put it right up there where you see that. And also, real estate thing, karate chop it. I don't know why they karate chop their pillows. The back pillow is also the same thing. However, you can actually move it up and down because it's mainly going through the top holes and also the bottom holes beside me right here. And it's adjustable, it's removable because you have these like clip things that you usually see on those backpacks. And it's just like the head pillow, but there's like a little bit more resistance on it. I would have to go, like, if you know about surfing, like it's something like a 4.3. Yeah, which is like 4 millimeters, 3 millimeters sort of thing. It's sort of like that, but not that much. So I don't usually have that because I usually get my trusty pillow right here, and just put it right behind me. And there you go. And remember, this is at your own preference about where you want those pillows. But this chair is quite comfortable with what it has. Just like what all of those other gaming chairs have, it can go down, it can go up, it can go side to side, obviously. And you got those armrests on the side. You can't really see it, but there's armrest on here. And then there also is a back laying thing. I don't know what it's called. Like if you're too tired, you want to relax, boom, done, and you can get back up. Pretty easy. Pretty neat. Overall, the S-Racer gaming chair is nice, neat, easy to set up, all that stuff, comfortable, and great to use for schoolwork, office stuff, gaming, etc, etc, etc. Now, I'm Reagan from ReaganVFilms Tech. Shaka and mahalo. I'll see you on the next adventure.